Hey everyone, how are you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. Hopefully everybody is drinking their tea. Yes, this is going to be a sips by video, and this is actually going to be a sips by week. So what I mean by that is I think I'm going to start this week out with my sips by monthly subscription box, but then every other day this week, quickly, before I get into the specialty box, I'm going to show you today what is Sips By. Sips By is a monthly tea discovery box. It means if you're a tea lover, or if you know a tea lover, or if you just kind of like teas and you want to test them out, Sips By offers a couple options for teas on their website. They have a monthly subscription box. You take a very in-depth quiz, really let Sips By know what your tea likes and dislikes are, and then you will get a personalized monthly tea box sent to your door. It is $15 per month with free shipping in the United States. That is the monthly subscription box. If you also go to the Sips By website, you'll see a lot of other things they offer there. They offer tea accessories, they offer individual teas that you can buy, and they offer their tea boxes. And what these are boxes that kind of have unique themes. For example, they may have one for birthdays, for anniversaries, for Mother's Day. I think they have a woman's tea brand tea box. They have tea boxes that have teas in it that are supposed to help improve your mood, your sleep, just a big variety of specialty tea boxes. You can give someone one box of a specialty tea box, a 3-month gift, a 6-month gift, and so on. So that is what this week is going to be all about. Each day I'm going to be showing you a new specialty tea box that Sips By is offering on their website. Let's get into today's specialty tea box. Sips By's tea boxes come to you packaged in this nice compact cardboard box that says Sips By on it, and when you open it up, there's always an informational card inside that lets you know what specific tea box you're getting. And this box is telling me I am getting the Happy Birthday box. It's not my birthday, but I really do want to show you this box because if you have someone in your life that is having a birthday and loves teas, you may want to look at this box. If you turn over the card, it says on the back, make a wish, cue the confetti, candles, and cake, because we're celebrating with an extra special birthday tea party. Enjoy the birthday tea box, whether it's your birthday or you just want to treat yourself to deliciously fun flavored teas. And believe me, these are, when you hear what's in these teas, you're going to scream. They are so fabulous. Inside, you'll find a happy birthday card, perfect for hanging or writing your intentions for the next year on while you take in these sweet sips. So in this box is birthday cake tea from Savoy Tea Company. That is my high caffeine tea. That is a black tea blend with rainbow sprinkles, guys. Yes, you heard me right. Rainbow sprinkles and some natural and artificial flavoring. They also give a bunch of discount codes on this. So if you're interested in any of these teas and you want to get some more of them, you can purchase them for yourself at a discount. They have ice cream sprinkles tea in here from Tealightful. That is an organic sencha green tea with natural vanilla flavoring. It has apple pieces in it. It has carrot pieces in it, beetroot, dried strawberry, dried apple pieces, and pineapple. Sounds right up my alley. That is my low caffeine tea. It has confetti cake tea. Confetti cake. This is a great box. Confetti cake tea is from Pinky Up, and that is made up of pineapple, chamomile, orange peel, mango, safflower, and some natural flavoring. And then finally, it has caramel vanilla Cuppa cake tea, and that is from the Republic of Tea. And that is a black tea with sweet blackberry leaves, carob bits, and natural caramel and vanilla flavors. And that is my high caffeine tea. So there's a mixture of caffeine levels in here, which is really great. And this is definitely a happy birthday box because of all the confetti. I absolutely love it. Let me show you what all these teas look like. Inside the box, Sips By has included some of their reusable muslin cloth tea bags. These are great, especially if you don't have, or if the person you're giving the box to doesn't have something to steep the tea in. Really nice to have these around to put any loose tea in that you want to steep. The first thing I see in my box is a large packet of Pinky Up's Confetti Cake Tea that has pineapple, chamomile, orange peel, mango, and safflower ingredients. And then I have the caramel vanilla Cuppa cake tea. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. I have a larger packet of the birthday cake tea. Look at what's in this. Black tea blend with rainbow sprinkles. Oh my gosh, I think that may be the one I have to test out. And from Tealightful, I have their ice cream sprinkles tea. These are all such dreamy teas. It's going to be a really hard choice on this one. I actually do feel like this is my birthday with all this confetti. I think I'm going to have to. There's no way I cannot go with the birthday cake tea from Savoy Tea Company. I have to see what this tea looks like because it contains rainbow sprinkles. So let's crack this open and start steeping the tea. I will have to admit, I've never had a tea in my entire life that contained rainbow sprinkles in it. I think this is such a fun box. If you have someone that is having a birthday and also loves teas, this would be really a great gift. If you can't figure out what to get for them, this is a perfect idea. I wanted to show this to you. I felt like it was my birthday today, even though it really isn't. My birthday's in January, but I'm celebrating it with this happy birthday box from Sips By. I'll leave all the information for Sips By's happy birthday box down in my description box. Take care, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing this video about another specialty box from Sips By.